User-defined fields. Item. You can add additional information about your item. For an example, if you want to add item weight to the system, you can create weight additional file using number field. To access this function, click Company. Change company settings. User-defined fields. Item. There are 4 types of fields. Text. You can enter an alphanumeric description of up to 50 characters. Numeric. You can enter numbers. Yes, no. This is a checkbox, which you can check or uncheck. Date. You can enter dates. You can add 12 additional fields for each item. 3 text values. 3 numeric values. 3 yes, no values. 3 date values. After enter details, click Save button. Once you have set the user-defined fields, you can add extra information when editing your item.